Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start with the car stationary and engine in ACC or on position. Press the physical menu button on the center console to open infotainment settings. Tap Settings, then Connectivity to reach the Wi-Fi hotspot control panel. If you see a prompt for system update, postpone it and continue to setup. Note the factory hotspot name and the 4-digit default PIN shown on screen. Prepare your smartphone by turning on Wi-Fi and keeping Bluetooth off to avoid conflicts. This ensures quick pairing in about 1 minute and a stable connection. Select Wi-Fi hotspot and toggle it on to activate the car hotspot radio. Choose Edit Hotspot to change the SSID name to something memorable. Set a strong password with at least 8 characters, using letters and numbers. Select WPA2 Security for compatibility with most smartphones manufactured after 2010. Save settings and note the exact SSID and password displayed on the touchscreen. The infotainment will broadcast on 4 GHz band for maximum range and stability. Allow up to 30 seconds on your phone. Open Wi-Fi settings and scan for the car SSID name. Select the SSID, enter the password exactly, and tap Connect. If prompted for 4-digit PIN instead of password, enter the PIN shown on screen. If connection fails, forget the SSID on your phone and retry after 10 seconds. Restart the car infotainment if multiple devices cannot obtain an IP address. Limit simultaneous devices to 3 to avoid bandwidth and DHCP conflicts. For persistent issues, contact your dealer for a software update or network reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.